Welcome back to Tech2 Cash, where I show you how to grow, learn, and earn using digital skills. Today, I'll give you a simple plan to master a digital skill in just 30 days. No expensive courses. No complicated steps. Just a practical, realistic guide that works for beginners. Step 1. Pick one skill, day 1 to 2. Don't try to learn everything. Choose one skill like video editing, graphic design, copywriting, or coding. Focus beats everything. Step 2. Learn the basics, day 3 to 7. Use free platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and Skillshare trials. Study the foundations, tools, concepts, and examples. Don't rush. Master the fundamentals. Step 3. Daily practice, day 8 to 20. Practice for 30 minutes to 1 hour per day. Create small projects, edit a clip, design a flyer, write and add copy. Small consistent practice builds real skill. Step 4. Build a simple portfolio, day 21 to 25. Take your best work and compile it. Use Google Drive, Notion, or Canva. Make it clean, simple, and professional. Step 5. Offer your skill, day 26 to 30. Share your portfolio. Post on Fiverr, Upwork, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Send cold messages. Tell people about your skill. This is how thousands of people learn and start earning from one skill in just a month. If you want me to create a full 30-day roadmap for any skill, just comment your skill below. Subscribe to Tech2 Cash for more guides like this.